Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you that how to get ChatGPT to write an essay. But before moving forward, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Now first go to your Play Store and install the app Chatbot AI. And once it's done, then go to your app, pass this step. And now at the bottom of your screen, you can see here a search bar saying type a message. Tap on this and now here you can give command to Chatbot AI to write an essay for you. But you have to write it completely. Tap on send. This may take a while and then you will get your answer. So everyone, this is the simple way of getting ChatGPT to write an essay for you. And you can now see here that it has provided you with an essay on the topic that you asked for. So it's simple and it's done. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.